Are you having trouble connecting to your Wi-Fi network on your Windows 10 computer? Don't worry, you're not alone. This is a common problem, and there are a few things you can do to try to fix it. In this video, I'll show you 10 easy ways to fix Wi-Fi not showing up on Windows 10. The first way is ensure that Wi-Fi is turned on, and check if the airplane mode is off. The second way is reset network settings. Resetting your Windows 10 network settings will restore all of your network settings to their default values. This includes your Wi-Fi settings. The third, check network adapter. Sometimes, the Wi-Fi adapter driver might be causing the issue. Update the Wi-Fi adapter driver to the latest version. The fourth, check for Windows updates. Sometimes, Windows updates include important fixes for network-related issues. Make sure your Windows 10 is up to date. The fifth, run the network troubleshooter. Windows has a built-in network troubleshooter that can automatically diagnose and fix common network problems. The sixth is restart network services. Press Windows +R, type services.msc, and press Enter. Scroll down to WLAN autoconfig, right-click on it, and select a restart. The seventh, check power settings. Windows power settings can sometimes affect the performance of your network adapter. Make sure your power settings are not set to disable the Wi-Fi adapter to save power. The eighth, reset TCP IP. Resetting the TCP IP stack can sometimes resolve network connectivity issues. The commands and description. The ninth is disable and re-enable Wi-Fi adapter. Sometimes simply disabling and then re-enabling the Wi-Fi adapter can help. The 10th is System File Checker. Corrupted system files can lead to various issues, including network problems. You can use the System File Checker tool to scan and repair these files. Wait for the scan to complete and follow any instructions provided. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any other questions.